Good morning and welcome to Smile Jamaica's Morning Time. Monday, November 6th.
Yes.
November 6th. 10 soon come when you start sending the things.
Oh, my. Which day the 10th?
Friday.
As long as not. Oh, from on a Thursday, may I?
No, you can't give me the things Thursday.
The pressure depends on Simone, not me.
We welcome our friends at OneSpotMedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJamTVJ, and also on TelevisionJamaica.com. Delia here with me this morning. Nothing wrong with Sim, just had some other stuff that came up. That's why she's not here this morning. But she's fine, and you'll see her tomorrow, I suspect.
Delia
just couldn't wait until Thursday. She's so in love with me.
Oh,
she
wow.
just decided to say, I'm not wait. No one see him now.
I met a wonderful gentleman yesterday, and he started off so well. Watch Smile Jamaica every morning. It is my favorite show. And we were having such a great conversation. Then we finished, he and his wonderful lady. I'm walking up, and then he says, "You'll up never for me." And I said, "Sir, I mean, we're not going so good." And I said to the lady, and I think you did have a sensible man. I hear him come up, me say, here when come up with you now, you'll up never for me.
Bye.
I said, "No, sir."
So I went to a restaurant yesterday. So I drove in, the security said, "Simon." So I never said
you should have had a big bill and walk out.
I never said it. So I come out the car and I walk in the place and he said, "Mr. Crosskill?" So I look at him again and I still never said anything. So I go in and I picked up the food and I come back out and him said, "Mr. Simon Crosskill."
Yeah, man, you have to give every treat. All treat.
I never said, "It's the wrong name still, isn't it?" And I go, "What?" I said the wrong name. Yeah, never.
You're disappointed. But you say go to a restaurant, you would order some food, you say Marvin, and walk out. Make them say, "Well, you know, Sir Simon Crosskill come in at the restaurant and order some food and don't pay for it." No, I wouldn't miss that opportunity. I am good. Restaurant Week was launched yesterday at Devon House. Yeah, but so people can go. They could have before, but they can go online now and look at all the restaurants and the menus. They put the menus out early and some place so we normally couldn't afford to eat.
Ambassador mean what, by the way?
Well,
Mean me eat free? No, but I'm serious.
Eat free?
I'm serious. Ambassador means.
It's not free.
I know, but
Delia is eating, so it's not free. I'm bringing Delia to the table. What are you talking about?
So you can't carry me with you.
I've been on some of them already.
So you can't carry me with
You want to go on more? I don't have no more left for me go. Me don't lead it up to it. We ate and took pictures.
And said,
I ate it. They asked my opinion. We took photos. We promoted the stuff.
So you are a food expert?
Yeah. Yes.
You're a culinary expert?
Yeah. Not really culinary. I can't cook.
My mic
expert, but I can't eat expert.
Them say my mic gone. So.
Your mic gone?
Hold on.
See if it turn on.
Well, it turn on, so never really.
Right.
It turn on.
So people can go online and make their bookings now.
Right now,
take out that special person, your co-workers. Neville is gonna take me out for Restaurant Week.
I went to rush through this because I have 741 birthdays.
Okay, all right, let's go.
It's Youth Month. And we are heading to the schools to help extinguish the trouble going on there.
And it's a transformation story you don't want to miss. Former drug addict Anthony Richards gives us his tale of trial and redemption.
And I'll be redeeming my score when we go head-to-head in a challenge of face-off in our Fun Stop segment.
And it's pure fun with the Kiwanis Club. We have a chat with a couple of members before they tee off at their upcoming golf tournament. I wonder who will come out celebrating.
Don't know. And JMMB is celebrating 25 years, outstanding company. We find out what they have planned to ring in their quarter century.
Plus, lots more, including details on Appleton's signature nights and a chat with a ghetto chef. And what were you saying about from?
I was just showing this, Everett. They've read a success story rooted in love. JMMB celebrates 25 years.
Nice.
And that's Donna Scott Duncan. She's the executive director. And that's Mr. Tyrone Samuels, and he's a client at a Client Appreciation Day as they celebrate 25 years today.
Nice.
But we'll be talking about that later. Let's go to the hot topics. Well,
this one is a very hot topic.
Yeah.
Been for years and will continue to be so.
Yep.
Scores of Jamaican women, it's being reported, are turning up at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital with pregnancy complications because of botched abortions.
The hospital carried out a concise survey between October 23 and 27. And of 18 consecutive women who presented to the early pregnancy unit, 5 admitted to having attempted to terminate the pregnancy. Doctors were found to have been involved in 4. And I quote, this is coming from the senior medical officer at the Victoria Jubilee, Dr. Orville Morgan. He says, I believe there are many of my colleagues who are out there performing abortions, but what we are seeing are just those who have complications. The problem is large, he says. My estimate is that certainly more than 10% of pregnancies in Jamaica end up in abortion. And people have found other means other than physicians in at least 50% of cases. At least one expectant mother loses her life from this each year. Wow.
Yeah, this is something Michael Abrams had raised earlier, obstetrician and gynecologist. He had warned that many women who have abortions place themselves at risk without even knowing it.
There you go.
It's
not good news, is it?
No, it's not. I mean, it's not. And it means that there is a gap somewhere in our sexual reproductive health. The way we engage with our women, the way we empower them, and how we assist them moving forward, and that's a serious thing that has to be addressed.
You know what I just realized?
What you realize?
I just go to take up my tea. I'm on the tea.
Yes. Tea.
All right, congrats to Kingston College and Jamaica College. Those were the finalists last year in the Walker Cup, and they're there again. Jamaica College getting the better of Calabar, KC getting the better of Stats. And the final will be tomorrow, Tuesday at the National Stadium. I suspect you'll see it right here also. So congrats to the 2 top teams in the competition. JC having lost a player, won 6-1 over Calabar, and KC won nothing over St. Andrew Technical. St. Andrew Technical have done really, really well.
So they still remain unbeaten, but I guess you said they won 1-0.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought you said they won
losing their first game. Kingston College is still unbeaten. I think KC is probably the only unbeaten team because Jamaica College lost to KC, but I think Kingston College is the only unbeaten team and huge favorites. But 2 good teams, really outstanding players, and it's going to be interesting to see what happens.
I know 1-0 me here, and they won nothing.
Yeah. We didn't. We saw this one already on where we saw one of them, that Dint Hill and Everard Clarendon College, right? Dint Hill and Clarendon College. They're in the Ben Francis final. Clarendon College getting the better of Stets in extra time, and Dint Hill getting the better of Rossies 1-0. So that should be fun also. 2 really, really, really good teams. So we wish them really good luck. So the Walker Cup final on Tuesday, and I think the Ben Francis final on Wednesday. And we should see them both here. And then Friday, the Super Cup starts in Montego Bay on Friday and then on Saturday. This weekend and next weekend here in Kingston. So lots more football to come. Boy.
Yeah.
20 dead.
Just when you hope it was over, here
Texas church shooting. It says 25, then I read somewhere it says 27 were dead and 24 others were injured. But apparently a gentleman just walked in a church and started to shoot and killed, as we said, over 20. That says, I hear 27, and injured a whole lot of people. Wow. Then
crazy. I mean, they say basically 50 people go to the church every Sunday, and for 27 to have died and 24 to be injured, that means the entire church. This community has 680 odd people, and to come up to something like this, and then they later found the shooter dead, I think, somewhere.
Now, apparently the pastor's 14-year-old daughter was also killed, which is just quite sad, but this continues in the United States. I was looking through, and they named so many shootings, church shootings, over the years, from a number of years
And the
back.
Baptist Church, it's very funny. The Baptist Church seems to come under a lot, and this is from days of post-slavery coming down.
Yep.
So it really is a tragedy, Neville. Our hearts and our condolences reach out to the people in Texas.
Birthday greetings to Verna Messam. It says Verna Messam and granddaughter Carice Brown. So happy birthday to Verna Messam and granddaughter Carice Brown. It doesn't tell me who it's coming from, but it's coming from us. So I hope you have a great day. Belated birthday greeting to Garth Gale, who is the General Secretary of the J3As.
Hey, Garth.
And also this wonderful lady here. Her name is Verona. It's her birthday today. And greetings coming from your son Romain and the rest of the family, and from me, of course, my little friend that we see at the National Stadium all the time. Happy birthday also to Tonette Williams. Tonette works at Loop, and it's coming from your husband Kirk and your children Bianca, Joshua, and Amelia and Melissa. Happy birthday to Keanu Gordon. Here's Keanu right here. So Keanu, hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Keanu is coming from your mom, Sandra, and your sister, Tyler. Happy birthday to, where is I reach? Shernette Trowers. It's a belated birthday greeting. Shernette Trowers is coming. She works at Bella Oasis Spa. It's coming from your mom and your dad and the rest of the kids. And to my good friend Francine Parkins, happy birthday, Francine. I hope you have a brilliant day today. I love you so much. And it's coming, of course, from your sons O'Neill and Deshaun, and from your daughter Dejane, and certainly from me. Yesterday, my nephew was his birthday yesterday, Onaje.
Nice.
Onaje's birthday yesterday. And congrats to my other nephew, Ramon, Carl's and Norma's son, who got married yesterday. Yeah, congrats to Ramon and Gabrielle. I wish you all the very, very best. It was great to be there with you. And I wish you many, many, many years of happiness and wealth and health and everything. I think I cover everybody, don't it?
I hope so, because I'm like Glendon Watson to wish happy birthday from the JCDC. So happy birthday to Glendon. Oliver Samuels, belated greetings to you, sir. Said he wanted to have a quiet day. So whenever I blow it up, Oliver has 2 birthdays.
Okay. Right.
I'm going to tell you about that and why later on. So happy birthday to you, Ollie. Jodian Ward, Roshan Duncan, Patrick Maxwell, Anne-Marie Williams, and Dave McDermott. Happy birthday to you guys.
Yeah, man, I think I'll cover everybody. Happy birthday, folks. Have a great day.
He has a birthday in October.